Go.
So in the world of chaos, any of our members, when it hits their birthday, we tend to give them a birthday workout. And since I missed my boy Francisco's birthday, we're gonna make him do, well, actually, we're not gonna make him do atomic push-ups because he's kind of advanced. He's done. So we're actually gonna do a handstand on the TRX for his birthday workout, which is 26. So what we usually do is with the TRX, you put the straps. You need to put one strap to the side. I tend to put it on one foot. Always keep one foot out just in case he doesn't have the balance to stay up. He can put his leg down to support himself. So go ahead there and got it. So back it up. Back it up like you call a truck. There you go. There you go. So he owes me 26 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that's why we keep the one leg out. And